नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, बैंकिंग न्यूज में फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट जून 23 के हिसाब से बैंक्स ग्रॉस एनपीए एट डिकेड लो ऑफ 3.9%. RBI said. Scheduled commercial bank net non-performing assets NPA ratio fell to a 10 years low of 3.9% in March 23. The Reserve Bank of India noted in the latest edition of its Financial Stability Report released. Macro stress test for the credit risk revealed that SCB scheduled commercial banks are well capitalized and all banks would be able to comply with the minimum capital requirements even under adverse stress scenario. Gross and net NPA ratio have fallen from a high of 11.5% and 6.1% in March 2018 to 3.9% and 1% in March 23 respectively. Gross NPA of the commercial banks declined to a decadal low of 3.9%. Net performing assets to improves to 1%, a level last seen back in June 2011, and NPA non-performing assets banking shut over the last few years. The world has been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic, geopolitical tensions, rising inflation, and interest rates, all of which had a bearing on India's economic growth. However, scheduled commercial banks in India seem to have weathered the challenges well, with their gross bad loans touching a decadal low. According to the Financial Stability Report released by the Reserve Bank of India, the gross of non-performing assets of scheduled commercial banks declined to 3.9% in March 23, a 10-year low. Net non-performing asset also improved to 1%, a level last seen back in the June 2011, the report pointed. The decline in NPA is indicative of active and the deep provisioning for bad loans, said the central bank. In fact, SCB provisioning coverage ratio improved to 74% in March 23. The quarterly slippage ratio, which measures new accretions to NPA as a share of standard advantage of the beginning of the quarter, has also moderated further. The improvement in the SCB asset quality has been broad-based with a steady decline in the stress advances ratio across all major sectors, the Reserve Bank of India. Friends, this is a good news for the public sector banks जिनका नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट पिछले 10 साल में सबसे लो है, जो 3.9% और जो नेट एनपीए 1% है, जबकि ये 2011 में ऐसा सिनेरियो देखने को मिल रहा था। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।